Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the method to backup and restore your data for Automatic Email Manager. First up, let's talk about the manual method. This works for every version of Automatic Email Manager, even an old version 6. Say you want to move your settings to a new computer or server. Here's what you do. Step 1. Open your Windows File Explorer and navigate to See and Program Data Namtuck. Now, remember, this folder is usually hidden in Windows, so you might need to type it into the address bar of the File Explorer. Step 2. Copy this AEM folder onto your backup device, for example, an USB key. Step 3. On your new computer, make sure Automatic Email Manager isn't running. Then, paste the folder you copied into the same location on the new computer, see Program Data Namtuck. I show you how to display the hidden folder in Windows. Step 4. Important note. If you have accounts with modern authentication, like Office 365 or Gmail, you'll need to authenticate on the new computer. Note, if you are using Automatic Email Manager 9 or upper, you can use the built-in tool to backup and restore the data. Check our other video.